Hi students, welcome back. Hope you people would have done your exams very well. I'm in the process of evaluating your animations. So I'll see to it by next class you people have the marks for all three animation assignments. So today what I have planned to do here is I'm trying to uh, share some ideas like how to plan your animation for with an audio. Okay, so we have used audio only for creating lip syncs to adjust the phonemes for some dialogues. Okay, so today we'll see how to match your animations for a given audio. Okay, so what I will do, uh, I'll share you some audio file. So this is called as boink loop. Okay, so when I import it, you will be able to hear the boink. It's nothing but the ball jumping animation that is present. Okay, so you can keep the number of frames whatever you want, and you can animate it. Okay, so that's up to you. Okay, so for example, if so, I'm gonna start my animation from -10. So first what I'll do, I'll try to animate this bones. Okay, so from frame number 1 to the next jump, the bounce is gonna take around 18 frames. This is my timing here. Okay, so frame number 1 and 18 should be same. So that's what I need to plan. So before we start off with this, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you a video of Pixar. Okay, the Pixar intro video has this uh, light stand coming and seeing the eye. So it shakes, jumps, and turns. Okay, so this is the kind of animation which is like very famous. Play it again. So we'll take this one as a reference. So whenever this one is coming down, so the jump 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 jumps it's making. So wherever this lamp is hitting the ground, we hear the boink. Okay, this is my keyframe. Okay, so that's how it works. So what I will do, I will take the ball with tail break. No, reference editor. I'll take the rigs. Ultimate ball. Take the ball rig. Just create a reference. Yeah, ball rig is there. So what I'll do, I'll go to my side view. Okay. Yeah, go to my side view. So what I'm gonna plan here is my ball is gonna jump from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here again it's gonna go come back like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same position. So that's the reason I'm having so much number of loops here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna take 3 bounces. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is gonna turn back. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So one more thing is there. So you can add one more. Okay. So that's how it works. So 4 forward, 3 backward. Okay. So wherever my ball is gonna hit down, you get this boink. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm first gonna start from the center of my animation or from the place where it's gonna hit. Okay. So then I'm gonna work vice versa for the exact timing. Hope you can understand. Normally, what we would do for an animation here is we start from the top, right? Normally, for example, go to the frame number 1. We start from the top. So, okay, ball. No. Let it create show none, show nerve curve. So what I'll do, clear all. Okay, I'm creating the melt script. Okay, show polygon. Yeah. So normally how we do, we start from the top. This is frame number 1. So it's taking 18 frames. Center is going to be somewhere around 9 or 10, which is okay. Again pressing a keyframe. So again pressing a keyframe at 18, so that everything remains constant. Okay. So frame number 10, my ball would come down. Okay. So now I'm not bothered about the audio. Now I'm trying, this is my timing. So it starts here, it ends here. So this is the starting of the hit. This is again the starting of the hit. So I'm worried about only this time. Okay. So this is the place where it's hitting down. So in the center, 1 to 10, in between is something around 5. Select all. So this is my breakdowns. Okay, so this is my in-betweens, ease in, ease outs. So these are the keyframes I'm having. So same way here, 9 and 11. So this is the number of keyframes I'm having. So I'll work on the first 18. I'll show you very clearly. Yeah, okay. So frame number 1, nothing is happening. Frame number 2, no issues. Frame number 5, ball is coming down. So from 5 till 9, my ball is going to stretch. Okay. So this is my stretch. Okay. Ball is stretching. It's coming down. So frame number 10, my ball is going to squash. Frame number 11, ball is going to go up a little bit. So I'm going to change the position a little bit more. Okay. So it's fine. Going normal up and to this place. Okay, fine. So this works, but the audio is not syncing with the animation just because it's totally out of sync. So wherever it's hitting, you need to get that boink. Okay. So first I'm getting all the main poses. So I'm going to your fundamentals. So first one, second one, it's starting to come down slowly. Next one, this place is almost the half center. So when it's coming down, it will be slightly downwards with some energy. So it comes down stretching. So this will touch the ground. So boom, it hits. Again, it goes back, becomes normal. So this will be slightly up. Okay, again goes on, eases out, stops. Okay, so these are the basic poses that is required for a ball bounce. So this, when this pose is achieved, what I'm gonna do here is work with your timing. So click on the controllers. So then 2 to 5, I'm gonna increase the number of frames. Same way 17 to 18, I'm gonna increase 1 frame, 2 frames. No, 1 frame would be okay. Okay, so you get some kind of fluid motion here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to work with my graph editor so that I can clean this up. So Windows, animation editor, graph. I'm first trying to get my flow correct. That is what I'm planning to do. So okay, these things will be in linear, so it's faster. Okay. So this duration is more. So which we'll adjust it later. Okay. So this is one bounce. So what I'll do, I'll zoom out. Don't worry about the timing now. So I'm selecting all the keys. So when you think, when you think animation is fine, then we'll change it. So what I'll do, so this will the whole thing. So I'll see to it when this 10 comes to frame number 1. Okay. I'll move it together. Okay. So this is my animation. So now what I need to do, next thing is I need to copy paste all these things here so that it loops. Same way, select both, copy, paste. Okay, so like this we have created it for 120 frames. So what will happen right now is when I play the audio, you'll able to hear boing exactly when the ball is touching the ground. I'll show you. Things are not proper here just because the timing of that animation totally has changed here. That's the reason it's getting hit at the back. Can you see there's a shift here? So here we'll adjust it slightly. It is only because of the audio. Okay, now I think it's okay. Yes, so hits needs to be perfectly placed. So I'll show you the graph how it looks. So this is up and down. Window animation editor, graph. Can you see? So this is a place where I have edited because of the audio, so you don't need to worry about it. Apart from it, you have uniform loops here, which is happening. So X, Y, Z, no rotations. Don't need to worry about it. So translate X and Y, everything is gonna be seen. So next, what we need to do here, your ball needs to go from one position to another position. Okay. So what do you need to do? So if my ball is here, so ball needs to start from here, needs to end here. Okay. So this is my first position. So this is my last position. Okay. So first position will be here. So my next position will not be here. This is my translate Z. Okay. My ball will get displaced. Okay. So this is the center displacement. So we'll see how it works. So ball needs to come in an arc, right? So this position I'll adjust in graph, Windows, animation editor, graph. So this is translate Z. Okay, hope you can see it. Just translate Z. Okay, so this is the place where the ball, sorry, I'll make it smaller. So this is the place where the ball is starting its animation. So it needs to have a straight line here. Okay, so that your animation will be very smooth. Make it straight. Don't need to worry about the flow. Everything will be perfect. Okay. We'll mathematically adjust this, then we'll artistically adjust that. So this will be also straight, linear. This will also be linear. Okay. somewhat. So I'm just trying to get the flow here. So now I need to adjust it artistically. So Z is straight. You'll see how the animation works from -8 to this one. So here we are not having any kind of momentum or the force that's being applied. So what we need to do is when the ball is coming down, coming with an energy, this one needs to go back a little bit. Okay. So this would be the maximum displacement. Okay. So here this would be forward. Okay. Little tilt up. So tilting up, center, down, back to normal almost, easing out, stop. Okay. Okay. So show you the graph here for the top one. So this is my translate, which one? Translate Z. Okay. So just select this, press F. So this is the one loop that's happening. So it's a curve. So it starts slowly, goes up, to the top, comes down, it won't come back so smooth. Okay. Okay. So this is a kind of transition that needs to have. So let's see what happens. We'll play it and see. Can you see the flow? It comes at an angle, goes forward. So when you finish one loop, it becomes next easier for us to like copy paste keyframes. That's the easiest part. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll select the top control, go to frame number 8 till 8 to this one. Copy. Okay, so 8 to 9. Copy. So paste. Same way, you also need to worry about your Z for your next animation because it's going to start from the same place. So starting, my ball has traveled. You need to see how much amount of distance your ball has traveled. So from 9 thing to 26. Yeah. So 26, it should be somewhere here. See from this position to this position. Or you can take from 0, my ball has traveled something around 21, a value of minus 21. So this would be something around minus 42. Okay. If you want to be very specific, then it'll work. So if you don't understand what's happening here, I'll explain it. So I'm my ball is jumping from this position, frame number this frame number 0, its value is 0. Okay, so my ball is jumping, it's coming down, it's hitting the ground, again it's going up. So till frame number 9, so from this is one cycle. Okay, so my ball has taken at frame number minus 8 it's 0. So at frame number 9 it's minus 21. Okay, so it has traveled 21 grids. Okay, so next one should be 42 for the next loop. Okay, so that's how we normally space our animation so that in order to we can get proper loops. So what I'll do, I'll also make this one straight. So if we create one loop, then it becomes easier to create everything. Okay, so what I will do, select all, or if you think you have created one loop properly till frame number 9, if it's very confusing, what you can do, you can select all, delete it. This is fine. You can delete it, no worries. So what you'll do, so I'll show you how it works. Copy, paste it from frame number 9. So this is the next loop. So the loop will be from the same position. Okay, the only thing what you need to adjust will be your Z axis. I'll show you the Z what happens. So if you open your Z, oh my god, need to make it smaller. Okay, your Z axis tends to go back to your normal because you copy pasted the same thing here. So you need to bring the Z to frame number 21 to make it straight. Okay, then your Maya will take care of your animation. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything, just make it straight. see to it this line, this dot and this dot is having a straight line. Yeah, now it's fine. So what I'll do, getting it? So you have concepts of weighted tangents. So there will be a lot of tutorials online which will make you work easier with weighted tangents, but keyframe always helps you to do any amount of editing, and you can control your animation to how much ever extent you want. If you want to make any kind of minute changes to your animation, so always work on keyframes. So I personally don't prefer working on tangents, the weighted tangents. So I'll in the next class I will explain to you what weighted tangent is, so that you can also try exploring its possibilities and its limitations. So this is something around frame number 9, it's 21. So I'm working on approximation. So same way, select all. So what I will do, I'll copy this, paste it here, so you get another loop. Again, what will do, your ball will do, it will start from the same place. Okay, my ball will start from the same place. Okay, so what you need to do, don't need to worry about anything, just go kind of click the master, Windows, animation editor, graph, go to your translate Z, select this, only this. Okay, bring it down, don't need to worry about it. Okay, so this has not been taught in any of the tutorials that is online. This is my personal experience of doing a lot of cycles for animated feature films, which I'm sharing with you, so that your work becomes much easier when you're working with large amount of files. Okay, so play it. So this is a kind of animation which is expected out of it. So what I would ask you to do is, ask you to do today is, you can take uh, the ball with tail rig to make your work a bit challenging. You can experiment it. So what I would suggest you to do is, you can take, where is it, tailed, yeah, I want you to take this rig. So create a ball bounce, polygons, node surface. Okay, I want to create a looping bounce for this character, even with the tail. Okay, so you create one loop, you can copy paste it, your work becomes easier. Okay, so it needs to go here 4 steps forward, 3 steps backward. It needs to turn again 3 steps backward. So this is your submission for I think if you want to experiment, you can take 2 classes. So one, you for tomorrow you try it with ball. So for Wednesday's class, try to finish both the things and submit it to your class monitors. Have a great day, guys. Any doubts, do let me know. I'll be there to help you out. Have a great day.